Hello, crafty friends. So this is going to be a video that you are not used to seeing me upload. There's Coda Bear. Hi, Coda. So if you guys follow my channel, you'll know that the last couple videos I put out, I was explaining where my youngest daughter had planned on moving out soon, making my husband and I empty nesters. And I think I may have mentioned in that video that once she moved out, I was going to use her old bedroom to make into my craft room. So here it is. She is moved out, which is pretty sad, honestly. It's been rough, honestly, on my husband and I. And so here we are. We are going to start the new craft room. I have a blank canvas here, which I love. I love blank canvases to do a project. As you can see, I have my paint down here. I have a whole theme for this room, and I'm super excited to show it to you guys. I have personally always wanted a room, or the decor or the style of my home to be what I plan on doing with this room. This room is 15 by 14 feet, so it's a good size room. It is pretty bright in here. It's got two big windows. That is something that my daughter left behind. We couldn't get it off the wall, so now I have to try to get my husband to get it off the wall. This is a piece that we just bought. We are going to whitewash it and put it in here along with the other pieces that I already have that are whitewashed. That is a brand new rug that I bought to go in here. Super excited. These are some vintage pieces I bought to hang above the windows. This is actually a bathroom, a whole bathroom, like sink, toilet, tub, shower, a whole bathroom in my craft room. Will I need it? Probably not. The toilet, yeah, I mean, when I'm in here crafting, of course, and rather than walking all the way down to the other end of the house where my bathroom is, I will have this to use the ladies' room if I need to. But yeah, there's a whole bathroom in there. And of course, a big closet. Right across the hall is my current craft room, actually, if you can see. But yeah, so this is going to be, is our new project. And I just wanted to show you guys the blank canvas before we really get to work. Let me just tell you the transformation. The next video you guys see will be the craft room tour video. Not the next video after this, but the next video of this room. Maybe the next video after this, I don't know, probably not. It's gonna take me a little bit to get this done. I'm assuming probably a week, as I am just anxious to dig in and get this started. And Coda is just very curious. He's like, why is this room empty? This room has never been empty. This room, guys, for the record, was the bedroom to all three of my girls. So when we moved into this home, my oldest daughter, who is now 25 and lives in Pennsylvania, resided in this room. And then when she started her career and moved out and moved to Pennsylvania, my middle daughter moved into this room. And she was in here for quite a while. And then she moved out and started her life with her fiance. They got a nice place not too far from here. And then of course my youngest daughter, when my middle daughter moved out, my youngest daughter took over the room, painted the walls. The walls actually used to be gray, like a slate gray. And she painted them to white because she loves white. And she had her vanity right here with all the white shelving. You can actually see where she had the shelving hung. We're gonna have to fill those in before we paint. Let's see, this past Friday, 5 days ago, our youngest daughter, moved out and started her life. She has an amazing job at a car dealership. She is a saleswoman and she sells cars like they're going out of style, and we're so proud of her. And so now she has her own little apartment, and she's only 19 years old, guys. So we are so proud of her. But now, this is my room. So very bittersweet being in this room while it is empty like this, but I can assure you that it's going to be a huge transformation by the time we're done with the theme we have that we're going with. Yeah, so I can't wait to show you guys. So thank you guys so much for joining me and being with me on the start of this amazing process. I'm super, super duper excited. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Say bye, Coda. Bye, everybody.